Hey guys, so I'm in the middle of the 5th week post-surgery now. You can see I'm out of my sling. I'm starting to take off the sling while I'm around the house, just to kind of get the arm used to just relaxing and being in its normal position instead of kind of guarding. So that feels really good. Looking forward to next week. I'll be getting the sling off. Okay, so I just finished week 6 of recovery from rotator cuff surgery. Had my 6th PT session, got some new exercises and I'll show you some of those. Definitely increasing the flexibility, but very gradually. Especially with abduction, I'm still quite limited with that to about 90 degrees. Flexion, I'm doing better with that. And then external rotation, I'm still pretty limited with that as well. But you can see I got the sling is off. So that feels really good to have that freedom. And yeah, able to do a lot more things around the house. Getting dressed, doing daily tasks is a lot easier with the added flexibility and lack of pain. So things are doing a lot better with that. So yeah, in this video I'll just go over some of the exercises I've been getting with my PT sessions. Not intended to be a guide of any sort. Everybody's case is going to be different. Everybody's exercises are going to be different. But just wanted to kind of show what I've been working with. And it's a slow journey, but you gotta be patient and you get through it. But week 6, definitely things get better. So if anyone's looking ahead to that, it's a big turning point at 6 weeks. Even before that, I'd say into the 4th and 5th week, things were getting a lot better. So, but from week 6 on, I think things will really continue to improve a lot, especially with flexibility. And then looking forward to working more with strength on that. So yeah, we'll just, I'll keep you posted. I'll try to add a couple more videos as things progress with the recovery, and try to share that journey a little bit for you, or with you. Okay, thanks for watching. So this one isn't even in the exercises they gave me to do, but it's just really comfortable and really nice relaxing stretch just to do tabletop. Can really get that arm straightened out finally. Stretch your fingers and hand. Just feels really good. And you can do some cat-cow. Another thing I'm going to try to do is gradually work on some of the yoga poses. So it'll be interesting to see how I can transition into those, but I'm working on child's pose now. Definitely limited on how far down I can go. That's about it right now. And so this one's just a variation of external rotation, lying down, and it's surprisingly hard to do that external rotation from this position. So just a variation on that. And I got this one, it's just another variation on flexion. You just focus on keeping your shoulder blades down, tight to the ground, and just get that flexion. Correct me if I'm doing this wrong. That's about as far as I can go at this point. So I'll try to post a few more videos kind of along the way just to show my progress and my journey on this long recovery. But it's something that pays off if you stick with it and be patient and get through all those exercises. It does get better. All right, thanks for watching.